Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are well and you all must have done your homework. In the previous class, we read three-letter words with the help of vowel A and E. Today, we will learn three-letter words with the help of vowel I. You can also speak phonic sound of I. Okay? Now, let's start. P-I-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. F-I-N. Fin. B-I-N. Bin. Speak loudly, students. T-I-N. Tin. W-I-N. Win. Next is B-I-G. Big. Okay. B-I-G. Big. W-I-G. Wig. F-I-G. Fig. D-I-G. Dig. Write again. You all are watch and read carefully. Okay. Repeat with me. P-I-N. Pin. F-I-N. Fin. B-I-N. Bin. T-I-N. Tin. W-I-N. Win. B-I-G. Big. P-I-G. Pig. W-I-G. Wig. F-I-G. Fig. D-I-G. Dig. Okay. Write again. Speak loudly, students. P-I-N. Pin. F-I-N. Fin. B-I-N. Bin. T-I-N. Tin. W-I-N. Bin. B-I-G. Big. P-I-G. Pig. W-I-G. Wig. F-I-G. Fig. D-I-G. Dig. स्टूडेंट्स, इसको हम लोग एक बार फिर पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? यू ऑल रिपीट विथ मी. P-I-N. पिन. F-I-N. फिन. B-I-N. bin. T-I-N. tin. W-I-N. win. B-I-G. big. P-I-G. pig. W-I-G. wig. F-I-G. fig. D-I-G. dig. Okay. Repeat again. P-I-N. pin. F-I-N. fin. B-I-N. bin. T-I-N tin, W-I-N win, B-I-G big, P-I-G pig, W-I-G wig, F-I-G fig, D-I-G dig. Okay, repeat again. P-I-N pin, F-I-N fin, B-I-N bin, T-I-N tin, W-I-N win, B-I-G big, P-I-G pig, W-I-G wig, F-I-G fig, D-I-G dig. Students, today we learn three-letter words with the help of vowel I. Okay. Today is your homework to write and remember all these words. Okay, students? Good. Thank you.